Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have oxtail with some rice and peas and a salad.
Yes. You know.
I dreamt about oxtail, family.
Yeah, she was dreaming about this, so you know. This is my favorite, but First Lady love it also. You know what? I ain't gonna be in all the bag of talking today, I promise you. Because I'm very hungry.
What you talking about, Willis?
I didn't eat nothing all day. I was waiting for my belly empty to come deal with this. But before that, don't forget, family, the link for the Greedy Couple patties, whatever you want to call it, is in the description. So go check it out. If you're new, yes, the Greedy Couple patties is below. Okay, so let's go, cuz.
We sell patties, so if you want your very own patty or your very own dozen,
yeah,
holla at us in the description section, or we'll put it in the comment section too.
There we go. This one me in. Look at it. This hot sauce I got right here. That's one.
Oh my gosh.
Mango habanero. Try some of that one, eh? You know?
You get the hot sauce from her. That's nice.
From, you already know, big up yourself. From Twin Green, you know?
Oh, that's one that came in the package? Oh.
Yep.
You have so much of them.
I have so much money, enough come in that package.
I know.
Alright, yo. Today I'm doing a salad mukbang.
Let me tell you guys something. I haven't had oxtail in a while. And I like oxtail, trust me. But I love it though, honestly. But I usually don't like crave it. I usually crave that curry chicken, curry goat, because I love curry. Or like soup, you know, or seafood. But man, I was craving some oxtail. I haven't made it in so long. I don't like this. Alright, we're gonna eat for a little bit first, guys. Let's see if we can do it.
Yo.
Okay, that's enough.
This is bad enough? Oh my God.
I can't not talk. Oh my gosh. If y'all haven't made oxtail and you add a little bit of coconut milk like 30 minutes before it's gonna end, just a little bit. Okay? I'm trying to tell you. You're listening. Game changer. Just like a third of a cup or a fourth of a cup. Not much. It does something to the gravy. And make sure you thicken your gravy, please. Put a little bit of cornstarch and water. Get some cornstarch and mix it up with some water and pour it in the gravy to give it some body. I don't like watery gravy. It's annoying.
I'll be aisle.
I'll be your aisle. Okay.
Oh. No, already got it already. What's the name of that already, peoples? You already know when I called it already. Black people juice that. Yo, I put the pub in night, you know? The nice and I pub, you know?
It tastes good, right?
Yeah. It's very different.
Can't.
Yo, the oxtail tastes so buttery.
I'm trying to tell you, it's a coconut milk, man.
Yo,
They're not listening.
They're listening. They're listening, but if the problem is if they're gonna try it.
Just a little bit.
No, we can't sell you this one. We can't sell this one.
I know they probably wish.
We can't sell you this one.
Man, you know we need to make an oxtail patty. They have it in Jamaica. No. They have curry goat patty.
I love this dressing, family. You know, dressing here. Oh yeah. Damn, everything coming up on my today, man.
Wow.
Damn. How y'all good people doing though? Excuse me? Oh.
Hold up.
Oh. Yeah. That's what we said, Pat.
Yeah.
We said patties.
Yeah, man. We sell patties.
Yeah,
yes.
we got it.
The website is in the description below.
Yeah.
And remember, we only ship out on Mondays and Tuesdays, and the reason for that, we ship out on Mondays and Tuesdays because again, it's frozen items, and we don't want to ship it on a Friday and then you don't get it until Monday, Tuesday. You know, we want to get it to you as fast as possible during the week because you guys know the post office doesn't really ship anything out like that on a Sunday. You know what I mean? Or a Saturday, which is so weird. But I get mail. I get packages on a Saturday, but it's a hit or miss though.
You gotta get it while it's hot, not while it's not.
Oh Lord.
Yeah.
What you said? No. Not in those asking if we ship it internationally. Not yet.
Not yet.
Just domestic, United States. I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah. Not yet, but that was a good question though.
Yeah. What the?
Dropping up anything so.
Man, you it too.
That was a good question though. Yeah. Not yet though.
What? You got a lot of questions today. You don't have
It's my straw. My straw went got ice. I messed it up. Damn. I can't drink my juice good. What you said now?
The straw is in there?
No, I left my straw. Sorry.
Oh, you're used to the straw now. I was asking if we have it on Amazon. No, not yet.
Damn. That's a good question.
I don't know. Not yet.
Wow. Not yet. I tried some baby step first. What's on there?
Oh.
Baby step first. Then hopefully, with the help of y'all,
all those things could happen.
You know? Yeah.
Like Richie said, don't forget to share the website.
Share if you care.
Tell your family and friends. You will not be disappointed.
Yeah. Wow.
Oxtail.
You don't get none of the oxtail. You get none?
Yes, that's what I like it. Okay, here you guys go. A nice juicy piece. Put your hand in it, baby. A nice juicy. You see that?
Oxtail dear, but what? We gotta eat.
What we love. What we enjoy.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
While I'm cooking it, it's just steamy. Okay?
And she don't taste food.
Okay? Because I make it so much, I don't need to taste it. I know exactly how it's supposed to taste. If I'm making something new, that's what I try to make sure I taste it. But, fam, you should see me in the pot. Every time I stir the pot, I'm eating a piece of meat. I'm surprised that there's any oxtail left.
Yep. And she don't do that. That's me. That's me, family. Man. This was worth it.
Oh my god.
Excuse me. I was looking forward for this. Want napkins?
Use that one. Yes, baby.
I was looking forward for this. No?
Richie was at work. Richie called me on his break and he said, the oxtail finished? I was like, yup. Oh man. I'm ready to come home and eat the food.
Real. Family, I said, I eat nothing. Cause I'm waiting for this.
What do you think is harder? To be at home with the food and can't eat it because you don't want to get full because you gotta do a video? Or to be at work thinking about it?
Oh, you asking them? Good question.
Yeah.
I like that one.
I'm sorry guys, we're not doing too much talking, but
Yo, you did good rice and peas too, you know?
yo, it's so flaky and nice and buttery.
Flaky and butter on. Yes, I keep putting one drop, because I don't want to put too much. First lady don't like too much salad dressing thing. I don't want to overdo it.
You gotta do one drop?
One drop. I'm taking my time. I don't want to bite my tongue or nothing.
Oh,
Yeah.
because you're known for that. And never see a person bite their tongue so much.
I don't want to do none of that because I want to eat my oxtail. Yeah. I want to eat oxtail. Yeah. Yo.
You see how the gravy is clinging to the rice? It's that cornstarch, baby. Put a little cornstarch. Okay? Perfect.
Yo. You know, I'm going hunting. I'm going hunting.
Cow?
I gotta get my cow. What do you think about raising cow? I love you know
I
much,
told you.
You know how much meat is on cow?
I told you that I would love to have a farm.
Love to have a farm.
I would love to live on a farm and have some goats and some horses and pigs, eggs, and some cow. It's funny.
Family, it's only 4 pieces of oxtail left. Come on now. You really want more? Wow, man.
Yeah, well, you're one.
I know. My gosh.
Your one look big too.
Yeah. Let me get some of the flaky rice and peas.
You don't want to sauce of rice and peas.
I'm getting some rice and peas. I'm getting them here. Make sure there's no guys over there taking this.
What?
Only the women supposed to take it. I'll eat off for guys. There we go. Alright, here we go now. And take a piece with the oxtail. There you go. Alright, I'll hold it. Alright. You come back now? Alright, there we go. They're back. They're back. You're full now, right? Good. Yo. Y'all do yourself again.
I'm not gonna lie, when it comes to this oxtail, I have it down and packed. I have it done pan lock.
The restaurant, them family, they pressure it. We like
And they
that.
put sugar.
Sugar oxtail.
Why do they do that though? I don't know. Do you guys make your oxtail with sugar? Not a lot, like a little bit of sugar to give us like a flavor. I don't know how they do that. But again, everyone cooks different, so
Restaurant, they want the fast way
yeah.
to get it done fast. They're not gonna make it down in 3 hours. They're not into that.
It does taste good. Is recording still? It does taste good, but sometimes they be putting too much sugar.
Wow. You did good.
The food?
Yeah.
Just as you say that, I'm getting full. Trust me.
You did real good.
All day. All week.
All week. You've been talking about it the whole week, family. She's been talking about it.
All week.
What the hell? Oxtail on your mind, so.
I'm making oxtail. I'm making oxtail. I'm making oxtail. You hear that? That's juice in it. It's gravy.
You know who did that? I'm not gonna say it.
Don't say it.
I know who did that. I'm not even gonna say it.
Oh, I pick it up.
I know who did it. You know who did it, Junior?
Yo. Honey. I was just gonna put the ball in my mouth and try to chew. Let me just take a minute. Let me take a minute.
I know.
Because I'm vexed. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that.
You get a piece already?
So what's the point of me giving them something? They're just gonna throw it out and push it out of my hand. That's it.
You should take too long. You have some oxygen? You have more oxygen left? Full?
My last oxtail though.
Oxtail ain't got nothing on weed. Family, I was trying to leave a piece of the oven to the stove was on warm. I pick up the pot, couldn't even nearly about my finger.
I'm still mad about my bone. I could. Ooh, man.
Somebody won it.
Yeah. It's alright.
Yeah, I got the patties then. Why y'all doing that?
So, if you ordered patties yesterday, I've already shipped them out this morning. I move fast, son.
I'm gonna give you the word of wisdom, you know? Because I got, excuse me, one piece of oxtail left.
It's time for that wow.
No, wow. Wipe up my hand good, cuz. Alright, what I got for y'all beautiful people today. First lady. Yeah, suck up that stale bone though.
What's me love suck?
I know, suck man. Family, I want you to listen up carefully, okay?
God, so good.
No, it's not about the patties. It's the real time now, okay? Listen up, first lady. Some people dream of success. Others stay awake to achieve it.
Oh.
Oh, you see? You're busy, I think.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I wasn't listening.
I'm going to say it again. I'm going to read it twice. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to read it twice. Just for you. Special person. I saw your comment. So you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to read it twice again. All right. Ready, first lady? Some people dream of success. Others stay awake so they can achieve it.
Yeah, mama, I like that one, man.
I love that one there. The one there. Lick your by your noggin. Alright, honey. You know, we come to the end of the road right now. You know, with the time, you know.
That was good.
This is the sad time. I know you did. But you know, we appreciate y'all. Thank you for being patient. Yeah, I didn't know I was gonna say it. But it's here, you know what I'm saying? So don't forget, the link is in the description. If you reach this far, you already know. We are the Greedy Couple. I am Richie, aka Shanice, aka First Lady. And they are
And you guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.
Bye.
Mm-hmm.